Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. I'm sitting here with Cliff and Christie, and they are Luxe owners. And how long have you been a Luxe owner?
We picked this up May of 2016.
16. And tell me a little bit how you guys got to find us.
Well, I tripped across Augusta when they were still Augusta RV on the second page of an internet search for luxury RVs, and I'd never had heard of them before. Just happened to trip across it, and I was impressed with what I read and researched further and flew to the factory to do a tour, and it was all uphill from there.
Good, good. So now that you've been in your unit for a while, what are some of the highlights? What are some of the things that you like?
Wow, can't think of anything.
Storage.
Can't think of anything I don't like.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a comfortable unit. We sold everything and became full-time RVers when we did this. Actually, before we even bought the Luxe. And this feels like home. So no matter where we're at, we're home.
Yeah.
We've been happy since we made the decision.
Right. What floor plan do you have?
We have the 39 FB.
Okay.
Except we don't have the half bath. We're the original designers of the walk-in pantry.
All right.
Half bath.
Can you show me that?
Oh, sure.
I'd like to
Not too
see
messy
it.
in there.
I'd like to see that.
Because we made it it's a actual cloak and
Mudroom.
shoe room also. But
Oh my, yeah.
we do a lot of shopping. We have all kind of storage up here. We had this made into a room closet.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Believe it or not, I got an 18-quart roaster up there. I've got my we home cans, so I've got my pressure cooker and stock pot down there. Stock pots.
Awesome. Awesome.
There's more stuff. But that's
Yeah. That is really cool. Well, thank you guys. I really appreciate being invited to this rally.
I'm glad you showed up.
Yeah,
Just to-
we really are glad you came.
Well, thanks. Just to get to know some of the owners.
Yeah.
I don't usually get a chance to do that, so
Yeah.
it's nice to
Especially
joke
after,
around with you guys. And
after people have been living in their unit
Right.
for a time,
right.
It's nice to connect with them and see how they like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, after 3.5 years,
It's still perfect.
still home.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very